Welcome to Learning with Dr. Shivangi. Today's topic is merits of physical policy in India. As in the previous videos, we already started the playlist for the subject business environment and also discuss various topics related to it like concept of business environment, monetary policy, physical policy, 5-year plans, economic development, and so on. So in today's video, we'll discuss about the merits of physical policy in India. You can also watch other videos. Links are provided in the description box. So before I started the video, I want to say you that if you like my video, please like and share this video. And don't forget to subscribe my channel, which is Learning with Dr. Shivangi. Now coming to the main topic, which is merits of physical policy in India. As we know that physical policy has several advantages, several objectives included in it, which is adopted by the government of India. So what are the merits of physical policy? First one is the capital formation. Second is mobilization of resources. Third is incentives of savings. Fourth is inducement of private sectors. Fifth is reduction of inequality. Sixth is export promotion. And the last is alleviation of poverty and unemployment. Now we discuss here each of the point one by one in detail. So first one is the capital formation. So the main objective, main merit of the fiscal policy is the capital formation. With the help of financial policies, fiscal policy, we can achieve the infrastructural level development in the country, by which capital formation is done and development of country is possible. Second is mobilization of resources. With the help of financial policy, fiscal policy, optimum utilization of resources is promoted and wastage of resources is not promoted. So mobilization of resources is possible with the help of fiscal policy in India. Third is incentives of savings. Through fiscal policy, government initiates incentives of savings for the development of country in the population, among population, by starting different types of schemes. The next is the inducement to private sectors. Government also promoted the private sector by launching different types of schemes by provided fund and debt management in the private sectors. Next is the reduction of inequality. Government also reduced inequality in the society by equal distribution of wealth and income by providing opportunity to the poverty level of the country and reducing unemployment level also. The next merit is export promotion. Government also promoted the export in the country so that we can easily earn the foreign currency and develop the foreign currency within the India. And the last merit is alleviation of poverty and employment. So government also reduces the poverty level through provide employment to the population of the country. So these are the different, this is all about the merits of physical policy in India. I again summarizes all the points so that you can easily understand about the topic. So what are the merits? First one is capital formation. Second is mobilization of resources. Third is incentives of savings. Fourth is inducements to private sectors. Fifth is reduction of inequality. Sixth is export promotion. The last is alleviation of poverty and employment. So these are the merits of physical policy in India. If you have any query about this topic or if you want to know about any other topic related to research methodology, business management, business environment, you can ask me through comment box. If you like my video, please like and share this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel, which is Learning with Dr. Shivangi. We'll meet in the next video with new topic. Thank you everyone.